All right, welcome back to the screen, folks. If you have ever opened Excel and immediately felt confused, overwhelmed, and scared to touch anything, okay, this session is for you. I will teach you Excel starting from how to open it and I will end how to safely close it. Okay, no experience is required. I will explain everything step by step, exactly as I wish someone had explained it to me. By the end of this session, Excel will stop feeling scary and this will become the foundation for dashboards, automation, and even AI tools later in this series. Okay, if you are learning Excel for the first time, stay with me and follow along. To open a Excel using a start menu, what you have to do, let's start from very beginning. Okay, first I will show you the most common way to open a Excel. Look at the bottom right left corner of your screen, click on the start option, and now you will start typing a word called Excel over here. Okay, Excel over here like this, and you can see this app is available over here. Simply hit the open button over here, right? You can see this option available over here, right? There's a sections like new, okay, home, new, open, okay. Left hand side you can see the account, feedback, options, okay. These are the recent Excel which you have opened over here, and then favorites, basically if in case you have saved this any of the file, right, as a favorites. Okay, to do template, suppose I have saved it and I want to see that, so I can see that in the to do list template over here in the favorite section. Shared with me, if somebody has shared any file with me, that will be reflecting in the under shared with me section over here. Okay, if in case you have a lot of file available over here, simply press here, type the name. Okay, if in case you want to check the task, let's search a task and you can see the file has been got searched over here, right? Likewise you can do it for the rest of the others. If in case you want to import any kind of a template, predefined templates are ample amounts of templates are available over here inside the Excel. You can just simply click on this option, more templates. Okay, you can see here business. If I go to the business, I will get a multiple templates over here, right? Online sales tracker, small business income, inventory list, right? Small businesses, so on and so forth. Okay, and these are the daily resume activity where we use it in our businesses. Marketing project planner, check register ledger, so on and so forth. Okay, so now you can see there are n numbers of templates available. Okay, you don't have to be a dependent on anyone, right, to get the template for yourself. You can directly use it inside the Excel itself, right? If in case you don't want a business specific template, you can simply click on this personal one and you can see the rest of the others, right? Personal expenses, household to do, personal mileage tracker. Okay, even the wedding expense budget over here, right? And then so on and so forth. Okay, and click on this option as well, calendars. Okay, if in case you want to see the calendars, you will get the calendars as well. Okay, these are various ways to check the details what we have available inside the Excel. Okay, now we are just simply clicking on this option called blank workbook. You just have to simply click blank workbook and you can see this Excel has been open up for you, right? This is the one way method, right, where we are opening up the Excel over here. Now I will show you another simple way to open a Excel. Look at your desktop. Okay, simply I'm pressing a Windows key and D, and when I press that, I can see this desktop available in front of me, right? And I will simply click on this option, right click over here. Okay, here, new, and then I can simply open a Excel worksheet over here, right? And if I double click over here, I can see the same Excel has been open over here. You can do it in this way as well. Okay, complete your call how you want to do it. Okay, but it's a traditional method which we follow, right? Start and then we just click on this option Excel and then we just simply open it. Now I will show you the third way to open Excel, which is by opening an existing file. Okay, go to any folder on your computer. Okay, that can be in your downloads. Majority times we see the files available inside the downloads, or sometimes it is in documents. Okay, look at for the file which is available .slsx. Okay, which means it is a extension. So how we can check that? Suppose if I go here in download section, I can see this to do list over here. I'll just double click over here, and as soon as I click on that option, I can see this template available for me, right? And this is how I can open the existing Excel over here. Notice that Excel opens automatically along with the file. That is commonly used when someone sends you an Excel file.